Okay. In today's lecture, we are going to do Cannizaro's reaction. Now, Cannizaro's reaction is a reaction which is given by only those aldehydes which do not contain any alpha hydrogen atoms. तो एक एग्जाम्पल से स्टार्ट करते हैं. नॉन अल्फा हाइड्रोजन कंटेनिंग aldehyde, so we have methanol. So methanol, I need 2 units of methanol, and Cannizaro's reaction takes place in the presence of a strong base. So let's say हमारे पास है 50% NaOH. Now Cannizaro's reaction में क्या होता है? One of the aldehyde will undergo reduction. Which means methanol या aldehyde on reduction converts into corresponding alcohol. तो क्या मिला हमें people? Methanol. And the other aldehyde will undergo oxidation. Aldehydes on oxidation convert into carboxylic acid. तो ये कौन सी एसिड बन गया पीपल? मिथेनोइक या फॉर्मिक एसिड. बट सोल्यूशन में हमारे पास बेस है, सो एसिड विल रिएक्ट विद बेस एंड बिकम्स, सो दिस मिथेनोइक एसिड रिएक्ट्स विद द बेस प्रेजेंट एंड हमें क्या मिला? सोडियम सॉल्ट ऑफ मिथेनोइक एसिड, or we can call this as sodium methanoate या sodium formate भी आप बुला सकते हैं. So if you observe carefully, Cannizaro's reaction is a self oxidation and self reduction reaction. या Cannizaro's reaction को आप बोल सकते हो, Cannizaro's reaction is a disproportionation reaction. Cannizaro's reaction is a disproportionation reaction. एक और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, then we will understand the mechanism of the reaction कि ये होता कैसे है. I repeat, what is really important is to identify or is to understand the mechanism of the reaction. Now let's take another aldehyde. इस aldehyde में अल्फा कार्बन तो है, but there is no alpha hydrogen. So for example, this is your alpha carbon, but no alpha hydrogen. यहाँ पे तो alpha carbon ही नहीं था. So you have benzaldehyde plus benzaldehyde. What happens people Cannizaro में? One of the aldehydes will undergo reduction. So benzaldehyde का reduction करने पे क्या मिलता है हमें? Benzyl alcohol. So this is your benzyl alcohol. Okay, I repeat, this is reduction reaction. And what will happen with the other aldehyde? Oxidation. तो पहले कौन सा एसिड बनेगा? benzoic acid, and benzoic acid will again react with base. तो मैं directly बना दूं, यहाँ पे we get sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate. चलो, now let's understand what is the actual mechanism of the reaction. Now, we have formaldehyde, ये formaldehyde का अगर मैं रेजोनेंस करूं तो क्या होता है ड्यूरिंग रेजोनेंस दीज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल गो टू द इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव ऑक्सीजन. तो मेरे कार्बोनिल कार्बन पे क्या डेवलप होगा, पॉजिटिव चार्ज, एंड मेरे कार्बोनिल ऑक्सीजन पे डेवलप्स अ नेगेटिव चार्ज. कैनिजारो में व्हाट वी नीड टू रिमेंबर इज the reaction or Canizaro's reactivity depends on the electrophilicity of the carbonyl carbon. जितना ज्यादा carbonyl carbon पे positive charge है, higher will be the reactivity of that particular aldehyde. With me? चलो. Now हमारा जो base है OH minus, ठीक है, sorry, my nucleophile will come and bond with the carbonyl कार्बन. ये आपके न्यूक्लियोफाइल ने कार्बोनिल कार्बन के साथ बॉन्ड फॉर्म किया. यस और नो, एवरीवन गॉट दैट. नाउ कम्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप विच इज योर रेट डिटरमाइनिंग स्टेप. आफ्टर द न्यूक्लियोफिलिक अटैक हमें जो कंपाउंड यहां पे मिलता है दैट इज अ रियली गुड हाइड्राइड डोनर. इसका मतलब क्या है, ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं ऑक्सीजन पे ये दे विल कम हियर एंड फॉर्म अ डबल बॉन्ड, एंड ये हाइड्रोजन बाहर आता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हाइड्राइड. ये हमारा स्लोएस्ट स्टेप है और दिस इज आवर रेट डिटरमाइनिंग स्टेप. अब ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स यहाँ आ गए तो हमें क्या मिला, H C डबल बॉन्ड OH, ये मिल गया आपको आपका मीथेनोइक एसिड. एंड अभी हमें पता है ये मीथेनोइक एसिड इज गोइंग टू रिएक्ट विथ व्हाट, NaOH, एंड आपको मिलेगा आपका फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट विच इज sodium salt of methanoic acid. So this is your oxidized product. अब हाइड्राइड है, so reduced product बनाना है. So हाइड्राइड और H माइनस, ये आपका जो H माइनस है ये जाके अगेन विल अटैक, ये आपका फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड है और मीथेनॉल, ये क्या है अभी बिल हमारा, यस और नो. सो ये हाइड्राइड गोज टू द कार्बोनिल कार्बन, तो हमें क्या मिला, H C H H and O, and this O minus will extract because हमें हमारा कैटलिस्ट भी वापस चाहिए. ये H प्लस और प्रोटॉन एक्सट्रैक्ट किया, and you get CH3OH. या आपको आपका मीथेनॉल मिल गया, and you get back your catalyst. This is the reduced product. Oxidized product and reduced product. This is how the reaction takes place. Why is understanding the mechanism very important? बाद में हम एक example करेंगे where we will take instead of hydrogen deuterium and we will try to find different combinations of product. Now if I take one aldehyde, okay, methanol, and if I take benzaldehyde, a different aldehyde containing no alpha hydrogens, this is my benzaldehyde, then such a reaction will be called as crossed Canizaro's reaction. So cross Cannizzaro में हम क्या कर रहे हैं? We are taking one aldehyde, but we are taking a different aldehyde. We are taking two different aldehydes. And same thing again. In the presence of a strong base, strong nucleophile. However, how do we decide यहाँ पे किसका oxidation होगा या किसका reduction? We need to identify which carbon has the highest electrophilicity. या आप multiple ways में check कर सकते हैं कि किस carbon पे आपका nucleophile पहले attack करेगा. Will it be the carbonyl carbon of methanol? Or will it be the carbonyl carbon of benzaldehyde? I need to identify where will OH minus first attack. So, यहाँ पे if I look at methanol, ये methanol का resonance form है and a benzaldehyde का resonance form है. Which carbonyl carbon out of the two is more electrophilic? Excellent. Methanol का carbonyl carbon is more electrophilic. Why? Because these electrons can come out during resonance, which decreases the electrophilicity, and hence the carbonyl carbon on methanol is more electrophilic or has higher electrophilicity. Has more electrophilicity. So, benzaldehyde का होगा reduction, and benzaldehyde के reduction होने पे हमें क्या मिलता है people? We get benzyl alcohol and methanol on oxidation will become methanoic acid, which eventually reacts with NaOH and क्या बन जाता है वो? Sodium methanoate. So in cross aldol condensation, you need to identify which out of the two aldehyde का carbonyl carbon is more electrophilic. With me till here, everyone? Now, after crossed Cannizzaro, we have something called as intramolecular Cannizzaro's reaction. अब इंट्रामोलिक्यूलर Cannizzaro रिएक्शन मतलब विद इन द सेम मॉलिक्यूल. एक एकदम इजी एग्जांपल से सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं. We have glyoxal. Again, it is in the presence of 50% NaOH. One aldehyde will undergo oxidation, the other will undergo reduction. तो हमें क्या मिलता है? ये COO minus Na plus. तो इसका क्या हुआ? Oxidation, and the other will become CH2OH. और यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Reduction. Oxidation okay, पहले this became an acid which will eventually react with NaOH. This will be called as intramolecular aldol. Pardon me, intramolecular Cannizzaro's reaction. Advanced students के लिए this is a very important reaction. चलो एक और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. हमारे पास है aldehyde. Okay, now again in presence of 50% NaOH, one of the aldehydes will become carboxylic acid, and the other will become CH2OH, alcohol. Same thing, ऊपर क्या हुआ है? Oxidation, and नीचे क्या हुआ है? Reduction. चलो, however, if I have ये example, now यहाँ पे I need to perform intramolecular aldol. How do I identify which aldehyde will undergo oxidation and which aldehyde will undergo reduction? Correct. NO2 का यहाँ पे क्या nature है? माइनस. सो इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप जैसे काम कर रहा है. NO2 is pulling the electrons to itself. Plus I effect CH3 का is behaving like electron releasing group, electron donating group. Yes or no? So यहाँ पे क्या होगा? The electron donating group जो CH3 है decreases the electrophilicity of the carbonyl carbon. OH minus hence पहले किसको अटैक करने जाएगा? ऊपर वाला. तो हमें ऊपर क्या मिलेगा? कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड COO minus, and नीचे का CHO will eventually become reduced form which is CH2OH, और यहाँ पे आपका CH3, और ये COO minus NaOH के साथ react करके then corresponding salt. And what about here? 50% NaOH, नीचे वाला CHO will become COO minus, and ऊपर will become CH2OH. Did you people get that? Everyone? So, Cannizaro's reaction is when two same or different aldehydes containing no alpha hydrogen react with each other in the presence of concentrated alkali. One of the CHO group will reduce, the other CHO group will oxidize. Cannizaro's reaction is also known as self oxidation reduction reaction, या हम उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Disproportionation reaction. अभी हमने देखा effect of electron withdrawing group will increase the electrophilicity of the carbonyl carbon. Presence of electron donating group will decrease the electrophilicity. Corresponding reaction होंगे. And very important, the reaction follows second order kinematics. Actually यहाँ पे second order kinematics भी है, and if you change the concentration of the alkali, then the order of the reaction also changes. But for the timing आप ये याद रख सकते हैं that the reaction follows second order kinematics. Now there are few exceptions, however. If you look at something like a chloral, even though it should undergo Cannizaro's reaction, it contains no alpha hydrogen. आप देख सकते हैं, it does not undergo Cannizaro's reaction. And उसका reason क्या है? Chloral with a strong or a concentrated alkali, Cannizaro के बजाय it starts showing iodoform reaction. If you remember in iodoform, we have done the mechanism. ये क्या होगा? ये CCl3 will come out, और वो OH minus is gets attracted towards this electrophilic carbon. हमने किया है ये, आप जाके you can look at the mechanism of haloform. ना यहाँ पे similarly this is, ये तो because of electron donating nature, the presence of electron donating group, it decreases the rate to such an extent कि वो reaction ही नहीं होता है. And some more similar examples. Getting that? So if you have a very strong electron donating group, so there is a high chance कि reaction ही नहीं होगा. With me till here? चलो, I'll give you some examples अभी to try. People, we have some questions on the board. आप try करना इन्हें as homework questions for Cannizzaro, crossed Cannizzaro and intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. ठीक है? Thank you so much.